Welcome to the Good Girls Get Rich podcast. This is where we embrace how good you are, girl. Stop being the best kept secret in town. Learn how to use simple LinkedIn and social media strategies and make the big bucks.
Hey there, a happy week to everyone. I'm Karen Yankovich, and this is a recap to episode 87 of the Good Girls Get Rich podcast. And we had Denise Oberry on the show with us this week, and Denise was awesome. And I'll give you a little bit of background on Denise. Denise and I are both part of a program that we took, and there's a Facebook group that's associated with that program. And you know, I always like to curate great guests for this podcast, people that I think are really, I'm starting to get a feel for what resonates with you and what kinds of things you're looking for. So often, you know, when you're in a group of a ton of people, people post all kinds of things. Sometimes you relate to them, sometimes you don't, right? But I was finding myself relating to things that Denise was commenting on over and over. So somebody would post something and then people would put different answers up and I'd be like, oh, I don't really agree with that, but I don't jump in and say that. But then Denise would post something, I'm like, that is exactly what I would have said. So I wanted to have her on the show because what she brings to the show, you know what I talk to you about on Good Girls Get Rich is how to position yourself as an influencer, and not a fake influencer. Like, I want you to get real clients, make real money, but it comes from your own mindset, starting with you, creating the brand of you, and then leveraging the brand of you to build a nice solid base of income so that you can do all the other fun things that you want to do with your business. So a big part of that, though, is also, you know, that's where I want you to stay in your business. And I teach LinkedIn strategies because I know that's where you can get the clients from that can continue to support you building that base of income. But while we're doing that, it's really important that we're building the systems and the processes on the back end that will support us to be able to be the person that has the time in their day to do the things that bring in the income, right? So that often means we have to be really organized with systems, with processes, with hiring, right? Like, how do we hire people? So I loved this conversation because Denise pulls no punches, right? And I hope you realize in this podcast right now, as much as I wish I had a magic wand, I don't, right? There are things that you just got to do to work in your business. And you don't need to work 75 hours a week. You don't even have to work 40 hours a week. I don't care if you don't want to work 20 hours a week. But if you want to create a business that is more than just you showing up and, you know, teaching a couple of classes, there is nothing wrong with doing that. But if you're looking to leverage and grow and create a business that maybe sustains you financially and brings some abundance into your life and into your family's life, then you have to show up as a CEO. So in order for you to be able to do the things I want you to be able to do and hit the microphone, you guys probably just got a big screech, right? In order for you to do the things I want you to do, and talk to the people that can really bring your business to the next level, you got to do some of this other stuff too. And I want it to be simple. So Denise talks about that on Good Girls Get Rich this week. I hope that you have a chance to check it out. You can just go to, I always need to have my notes here, guys, sorry, but you can just go to KarenYankovich.com/087 and listen in to this interview with Denise Oberry. She's awesome. And I think you're going to love her as much as I love her. And remember that I'm always here to support you. We have got some really cool things happening in the next few weeks. If you go to freelingtonworkshop.com, we are changing up what's happening at that link. And I don't really want to tell you yet what's going to be there, but that is the link that's going to get you to the next level of things that we're bringing to you at no cost to you. So check it out, freelingtonworkshop.com, and I will see you over there. Don't forget also, if you want, join us in the Facebook group, and that's where we're having these conversations all the time associated with this page, so you can easily get to it from this page, but you can also get to it at KarenYankovich.com/Facebook group. All right, thanks for being with me over this recap. I will see you again real soon.